losing the whole tree.
Step on it.
Wedge. Literally trying to move this tree too.
Take a piece off of it.
Yeah, I know.
Like this much.
I don't want to, because every inch counts, man. Break it free.
It's probably because of those sticks on the bottom. It's because this end is too big. This end is the bigger piece. So, I wonder, did you go all the way through?
Yeah. You're not listening to me. It's wedged up against the other tree. I don't know how many times I have to tell you the same thing over and over again. I'm gonna have to cut another one. And then when I cut this one, I might relieve and go that way.
Yeah.
Or this way, whatever, you know. It don't fucking matter what way it goes, but it goes.
Conundrum.
Woo! No, it's all the weight.
Yeah.
Even the slightest amount of pressure, right? Like, you gotta remember we're in the mountains. So everything like expands and contracts like normal people know about wood. Just like our generator. Most people don't know this. That you have to change your oil because we're so high elevation. It's actually harder for it to breathe, right? You know how like when we were first here, we're like,
oh, yeah.
we're out of breath and stuff like that. You know, mind you, I'm out of breath right now because I'm trying to huck a, 500-pound log right now. But, it was way worse than this before because we would just be walking and be like 9 times worse. We're like, oh my God. So, now we're like a little more used to it. Same with our, our oil for our motors of our generators. Yeah, I have to put 5W30 into it now. As opposed to normally, it didn't really matter, 10W30 or 40 or whatever it is.
Yeah.
But I always did the 5W30 because I knew we were higher elevation. So it's just like us. It's trying to suck air too. It's like, oh man, we're so high up, not so much air. So same with this, right?
Mm-hmm.
So much pressure. It's I ain't moving. This is how things are up in the bush. So fun. I went and got treasure.
You gotta go down a little more. Oops, I'm terrible at the video. Camera. Shit. No, there's ones that are like right on the bottom.
We're holding it up right now.
Yeah.